Welcome to 427 Auto Collision, your family certified BMW center. We have 3 locations that are BMW certified across Toronto. One in Mississauga, one in Etobicoke, one downtown. The benefit of coming here with a BMW is that we get trained by the manufacturer, we get all the repair procedures, and most importantly, we get all the proper equipment. This is an incredible car, high performance, and you need to make sure that this vehicle is repaired to manufacturer specification. Because we get all the training and the repair procedures from the manufacturer, we are going to ensure that all the warranties from the manufacturer, and particularly this car here has a 10-year warranty on the body. So being BMW certified and having 3 shops, we fix thousands of BMW. We offer a lifetime warranty on the repairs that we do. Many of the training is done in New Jersey, at Greensville. Our staff has to actually go to the Greensville, get factory training right in their main factory in the United States. So I just want to let you know that if you have a BMW, I highly recommend getting your BMW repaired at a certified BMW facility. Thank you very much.